Shraddha. What are you having?
Food.
Food? Okay. Okay, can you say which food is good and bad?
Yes.
Okay.
What do you want?
Can you give me pizza?
Pizza bad.
Pizza bad? Oh,
Pizza bad.
okay. What is this?
Bad.
What is this?
Apaga.
Okay.
Bad. Bad.
Cupcake is bad? Okay. Next.
Watermelon good.
Watermelon is good. Okay. Okay.
Bad.
Okay, it's good or bad?
Bad.
Okay, biscuits are bad. Okay.
Banana biscuit bad.
Okay.
Pineapple good.
Pineapple is good. Okay.
Pineapple.
It's good?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Tomato good.
Tomato is good. Very good.
Good.
Prawn is good. Okay. What is this?
Kiwi.
It's good or bad?
Big good.
Kiwi is good? Okay.
Bad.
Okay.
Orange good.
Orange is good. Okay.
Bad.
Okay. It's a soda. Okay.
No.
Peas is good. Show me the peas. Peas. Okay, good. What is this?
Corn is fish.
Corn is good or bad?
Cut good.
Okay.
Fish good.
Okay.
Grapes good.
Okay. Grapes is good.
Good.
Okay.
Lemon.
It's good?
Yes.
Okay. Lemon is good.
Good.
Capsicum is good. Okay. What color it is?
It's a yellow.
Yellow capsicum. Okay.
White is red.
Egg is good or bad?
Good. Red. Carrot good.
Carrot is good.
Brown.